Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time seeing me, if this is your first time on my channel, you are absolutely welcome. Okay, so today's video is going to be a simple but casual natural hair tutorial, because I know it's not everybody that is cut out for doing very elegant natural hair updos, and it's not everybody that also like to wear wigs all the time. And even if you're somebody like that likes to wear wig, or you have time, or you don't mind sitting down to do very elegant natural hair updos, I know there'll be some times when you just want to freestyle with your hair. You just want things very simple and casual. Maybe, for example, you want to hang out with your friends. Maybe you just want to go somewhere very simple that doesn't require a lot of buffing up. Okay, so that's basically what this video is going to be about. I'm going to be showing you a very simple natural hairstyle that you can rock to casual places. Okay, it doesn't require a lot. I mean, I'm not even going to be wearing makeup in today's video. Okay, that's to tell you how simple, but you are still going to look really put together. Okay, so if that sounds like something you might be interested in, then you definitely want to keep on watching. So guys, if you're watching me for the first time, my name is Adedoyin, and from the look of things here, I create natural hair content. Okay, so the first thing I did was to take down my braids. I have had this braids for about 5 days before taking it down, before styling my hair on this particular day. And that's because I wanted it to be stretched, and I really do not like it when I have to style my hair and my hair is shrunken. I really do not like it. So I have about 2 videos on how I stretch my hair without using it. If you are wondering, I feel like it can help you if you also want to be, stretching your hair without using it. Okay, I'm going to leave the videos linked in the description box. All right, so after brushing everything out, after making sure that there are no knots and tangles in my hair, I went ahead to part my hair into 2 different parts, some to the front and some to the back. And I made sure that the part was actually clean and neat. We are actually going for a simple but casual but still classy. You still want to look put together. So you want to make sure that the part is, very neat. Okay. And to the glory of God, I did not struggle with the parts today. If you have been watching my hairstyling videos, then you would know that I always kind of struggle with, parting my hair in places where I cannot see, most especially the middle of my hair and the back of my hair. Okay, but today I did not really struggle with the part, and the part was actually clean. I mean, we can still make do with this. Okay, so I just clipped the front section away just so I could focus on the back section. And let me tell you guys something. I did not know what I was doing. I did not know I did not know how this hairstyle was going to look exactly at the back section. Mainly because, I couldn't see the back section. So I was just using my intuition, and I was using my hands to guide my hair. So what I did was to part my hair into 2 sections, just as you are seeing it right now. And then I rolled each section firmly, not too tight, because I wanted some volume to my hair. So I rolled it firmly, and then I pinned it down. And I pinned it in such a way that the bobby pins were not visible. Nobody is interested in seeing how you pinned your hair down. Just give them that misery to solve, okay? So I pinned it in such a way that the bobby pins were not visible. I mean, it just makes your hair look professional. Let me put it that way. And then I did the same thing for the other section. I rolled it firmly, not too tight, to give it some volume. And then I pinned it down. And I also pinned it in such a way that the ends of the hair were, tucked in. Because we are trying to make it protective at the same time. Okay, so the ends of the hair has to be tucked away. That way the ends of your hair doesn't suffer breakage in the long run. Okay, so I just shaped it in a way that I was comfortable with. I used my hands as my mirror, if that makes sense. I used my hand to know if I was comfortable with it or not. Okay. So because I said this hairstyle was like a casual hairstyle, I just went ahead to apply my powder. I said I wasn't going to use any makeup for this particular hairstyle to show you that it can be worn as a casual hairstyle. And then I used my lip gloss and I made sure that I used a bigger earring. You know, if you like, you can use a small earring. Go. This is not to dictate how you should wear this hairstyle. You can wear it anyhow. If you like, you can wear it to your office. You can wear it to a party, and just to hide the bobby pin that was showing at that part, I used this accessory just to cover it up. And that's basically it for this video. Let me know what you think of this hairstyle in the comment section. Do you think it's something that is casual, or do you think it's something that's that you can wear to very serious places? Okay. So do not forget to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up, and I'll definitely catch you guys in my next video.